everyone? We are harvesting double crop milo today. Alright, today is the day after Election Day here in the United States of America. Lots of people tweeting and making social media posts about the election, thinking about the election. We got work to do today, so we are out here harvesting double crop milo and praying for our country, you know, hoping that we can come together and still love and respect one another, even though our country is very divided and very split. So it's been kind of a weird day compared to, I guess, a normal day here on the farm. Just seems to be a lot of tension in the air, even out here in the middle of nowhere. We've got these two combines going. I've been hauling loads into the elevator, so I just got back. I'm gonna get going here in the 7720. The grain cart has mainly sat still during double crop. We haven't had the labor force that we did during full season crops. We had some help with truck drivers during full season, and then my wife and my mom had taken off work, but for double crop they did not take off work because it was kind of hard to know when it was going to get ripe, and also double crop goes pretty fast. Whew. Compared to full season. So the 7720 it's very dusty. Gotta make sure it's in neutral. For those of you who know how itchy and dusty milo is, you get the full experience in this combine, the 7720. But this combine's old school, but we love it. It's Dad's baby. He's had this thing since it was almost new, I think. Maybe it was new. I don't remember. But it still harvests grain and cleans grain, you know, as well as you can expect. And so we definitely still use it, and it's especially useful for us because we switch back and forth with driving the trucks in, and that kind of ebbs and flows. It's pretty evident. You can see up here on the knoll up here, the milo kind of ran out of water and it barely headed out. But then as soon as we cross this terrace up here, you can see that it's fully headed out, and did a pretty good job, I think. I think it's yielding pretty well for us right here. All of this lower area, it's got nice heads, looks good. All right, another field bites the dust. Just knocked out that quarter. And then we're moving over here to Nathan's field. We kind of farm this all together, but it's 2 different property owners. So we'll start on this 80 now. And I gotta unload this grain cart into the truck I just brought. It's full. Here's some footage of us taking a load to the elevator. There's no audio, so I thought I'd narrate. We take the tarp off so that they can take a sample. The sample basically consists of testing for moisture and defects and a few other things, foreign matter. So then after we take the sample and weigh in, then we'll drive around to the pit here. This is at Schooler Elevator in Salina, Kansas. They've got several different pits for different crops and for putting crops in different places, as well as being able to take more than one truck at a time. It was interesting. There were quite a few tandems there when I took this video. Normally it's mainly grain semis like this one. There you can see the MILO going out the gravity flow hopper. So they just open up that gate and it just flows down and goes into the pit there. Once we're done dumping, we pull forward and then weigh out and go back to the field. Well, everyone, we finished up MILO harvest. Didn't get much film today because, well, we're filming a music video and then we're filming a video called Things Farmers Say During Harvest. So I've been working on that all day on our last field here, but we are done with MILO. We're done with corn, done with soybeans. All we have left is a little bit of sunflowers tomorrow. But you can find that music video on our Peterson Farm Bros YouTube channel. It should be posted here within the next couple weeks. We're gonna work on filming it here, and then you can find that Things Farmers Say During Harvest video on that same channel. Hope you guys enjoyed watching today. Sorry I didn't get more filmed for you, but you guys have been following us all year, from planting to the growing season to harvest. It's pretty cool to get to this final point where it just feels like a load is off of the weight's off our shoulders, and we can move on to different things. Don't have to think about harvest and all the crops in the field anymore. So, but we do need some rain for the wheat. If you could pray for rain for the wheat. We are having very poor wheat germination and sprouting. It's not looking good. We haven't gotten rain since that 2 inches back in September. And so, look, it's pretty dry. So, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. See you next time.